Welcome to Study Life. We are seeing the chapter Human Health and Disease. And in this session, we are going to have an introduction of this chapter. So let us start with what is health. Now, when we say health, health does not mean absence of disease or being physically fit. When we talk about health, we generally say, I do not have any disease, which means my health is good, or I am physically fit, my health is good. It is not that about health. So let us start with a simple example. There is a girl who says that my grandfather is old, so his health is not good. So being old and health being not good is not right definition. But if that girl says, my grandfather is old, he cannot move from one place to another, so his health is not good. So that would be correct statement because he is not able to move from one place to another. So health does not only mean absence of disease or being physically fit. So what does exactly health mean? So let us see the definition of health. So according to WHO, which is World Health Organization, according to WHO, which is World Health Organization, they have defined health as a state of, so health is defined as state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. Complete physical, mental and social well-being of the person, and not mere absence of disease, absence of disease. So let us look at this definition more closely. So here first they are saying that it is not mere absence of disease. So first criteria, absence of disease should be there for proper health. Then there should be complete physically the person should be normal, as in moving from one place to another or walking around and all. Physical health should be good. Mentally, the person should not be very aggressive. The mental health should be at peace. Social well-being, which includes how that person deals with their family members or with socially with the community or society, that is the social health. So this is the complete definition of health. Now let us see what is the science behind good health. So the science behind good health is hygiene. Proper hygiene has to be maintained. Hygiene is the science behind health. For health. Now it is aiming at proper preserving, improving and maintaining the health of the organism, which is your health of the individual, which means that if there is proper hygiene in the person's body, in the surrounding, in the house, then it is going to help in preserving, improving and maintaining the health of the individual. Now, how is health? For good health, the person needs to have these following factors. First of all, the person should have a balanced diet. The second important thing is regular exercise. The third important factor is like the person should have good habits. Then the person should have sound mind, which means the person should be in a state of good mind. So all these are factors for maintaining good health. So let us see what are the factors. First is balanced diet. Second is regular exercise. The third one is good habits, maintaining personal hygiene, and sound mind. Should be in a state of sound mind, which means the mind should be filled with good thoughts. So that is the secret behind maintaining good health. Now, have you ever thought, whenever we are moving around, we are coming in contact with various kinds of infectious agents every day in our day-to-day life. Now, those infectious agents could be pathogens which could be harmful, like bacteria, fungi, viruses. But how do we manage to remain healthy? How do we overcome these harmful infectious agents? The answer to this is we have an immune system. So there is the presence of immune system in our body which helps us to resist to these infectious agents. So we have the immune system. It is the system which helps the body to resist. It helps to resist to various infectious agents. Various infectious agents or pathogens like bacteria, fungi or viruses. So because of this immune system, we have the resistance, which is the ability to fight off or to remove out these harmful pathogens from our body. So this was the first part, which is human health, and the second part is going to be diseases. So to maintain proper human health, we have this immune system which is called immunity. But sometimes the person suffers from the second part, which is called as the diseases. So what is the disease? Now the word disease means this means not, is, not at ease, means not well. Dis-ease, which means not at ease, which means not well. So it is defined as disrupted or deranged activities or functioning of one or more organs of the body due to either infections or defective diet, or it can be because of heredity. So let us see the definition of disease. So it is a condition of disrupted or deranged functioning of one or more organs or organ system of the body as a result of infection. This infection could be with any pathogen or a defective diet, or it could be because of heredity. So let us see at this definition again. So there is disrupted, which means it is being halted or being stopped, or deranged, which means it's not properly functioning, one or more organ system of the body. It can be because of an infection, defective diet or heredity. The another definition for disease is it is a condition in which the vital functions of the body, the vital functions which are the important functions of the body, vital functions of body are disturbed. They are disturbed, which means they are not functioning well. They are disturbed physiologically or psychologically. So the vital functions which are the normal functions of the body, they are getting disturbed physiologically, which means the internal functioning of the body is not functioning properly physiologically, and psychologically, which is dealing with the brain. These activities, when they are not functioning properly, that condition is said to be a disease. So with this, we have seen the understanding of the terms human health and disease. So this was the brief introduction of our topic, human health and disease. So for more videos, please stay tuned with Study Live. Thank you.